What is the best investment? Welcome back to Wealth Waters, where we talk all things money and investing. Today, we're diving into the world of investment, how you can use your money to make more money. Sounds good? Let's get started. Why should you invest? Investing can be the smartest financial move you make. Although you might earn a steady paycheck from working, investing can put your hard-earned money to work for you. A wisely crafted investment portfolio can help you build tremendous wealth over time that you can use for your retirement, to send your kids to college, or for any of your other financial goals. Starting investing can be rather intimidating, and one of the biggest reasons is that many people don't know what they can invest in or how to get started. So here are some of the most common ways to invest money. Stocks. Almost everyone should own stocks or stock-based investments like exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Stocks have consistently proven to be the best way for the average person to build wealth over the long term. U.S. stocks have delivered better returns than bonds, savings accounts, precious metals, and most other investment types over the past 4 decades. Stocks have outperformed most investment classes over almost every 10-year period in the past century, and have averaged annual returns of 9% to 10% over long periods of time. As legendary investor Warren Buffett puts it, investing in U.S. stocks is a bet on American business, and this has been an excellent bet for more than 2 centuries. Some stocks also pay dividends, which can make them solid investment options for people looking for income from their investment portfolio. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. If you're worried about researching and selecting individual stocks, an alternative is to invest, either exclusively or partially, in ETFs and/or mutual funds. For example, if you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, your money will be spread out among the 500 companies that make up the index. So if any one of them were to fail, it wouldn't be devastating. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are similar to ETFs. They pool investors' money and use it to accumulate a portfolio of stocks or other investments. The biggest difference is that ETFs trade on major stock exchanges, and you can buy shares whenever the stock market is open. Mutual funds only price their shares once a day and aren't nearly as liquid. Bonds. Over the long term, growing wealth is the most important step. But once you've built that wealth and gotten closer to reaching your financial goal, bonds, which are loans to a company or government, can help you stay there. There are 3 main kinds of bonds. Corporate bonds issued by companies, municipal bonds issued by state and local governments, treasury notes, bonds, and bills issued by the U.S. government. You can buy individual bonds through most major brokers, but for most investors, the best way to go is to buy ETFs and mutual funds that invest in bonds on your behalf. High-yield savings accounts. Savings accounts offered by branch-based banks are notorious for paying minuscule interest rates. However, some excellent banks, primarily based online, offer very competitive rates to the point that they can be considered investment-worthy in many cases. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Many reputable banks offer some excellent high-yield certificates of deposit, CDs, that pay guaranteed yields for anywhere from a few months to 5 years or more. Unlike savings accounts, CDs can allow you to lock in a specific yield for a set period. Real estate. Like owning great companies, owning real estate can be a wonderful way to build wealth. In most recessionary periods throughout history, commercial real estate has been counter-cyclical to recessions. It's often viewed as a safer, more stable investment than stocks. There are ways for people at almost every financial level to invest in and make money from real estate. The most obvious is to buy a rental property, which can be a great way to build wealth and create an income stream, but it isn't the best fit for everyone. Fortunately, there are alternative ways to invest in real estate, many of which are much more passive than actually becoming a landlord, such as real estate investment trusts, REITs. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are a relatively new form of investment vehicle. Popular examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you have knowledge of cryptocurrencies, they can be incorporated into a diversified investment portfolio. So there you have it, several ways you can start investing your money and making it work for you. Remember, investing comes with risks, so it's essential to do your research and seek guidance if needed. But with the right approach, investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Subscribe to Wealth Waters for more finance tips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.